Hi guys, who would have guessed that we were going to be off for spring break this long? Miss Hebert's really missing you guys, and I know that you're wanting some extra stuff to do at home. So I have come with Pete to show you some extra things that you can do, and you're never going to believe that Thursday, the 19th of March, was the first day of spring. So Miss Hebert is going to be sending home a packet of work for you. There's all kinds of activities to do, and you can practice doing stuff, and I'll show you what you have for spring. We have a kite that you can cut, color, glue together, and you can play like you're flying a kite. I also have a flower, a beautiful flower for spring, that you can put numbers on the petals from 1 all the way to 19. Let's see if we can count 1 to 19. Are you ready? Let's do it on our calendar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We already counted to 19, and you're going to write those numbers on your petals, and you're going to use your 3-star coloring and color in the lines and make a beautiful spring flower for the first day of spring. Well, since we're talking about kites, how do you think you spell the word kite? Let's think about kite. Can you hear the first letter in kite? K. K-I-T-E. Kite. I want you, after you make your kite, to write the word on there. And then I want you to look for things that you can find that start with the letter K all around your house or in your yard. See if you can find things that start with K. K. And I want you to think about, where do kites fly? Do they fly on the ground? Do they fly on the wall? Or do they fly up in the air? I want you to think about that, because kites fly in the air, we're going to be talking about space, things that are in the air. So let's get on with that. I want you to know that I have a poem for you about space. It's about solar system motion. Solar system motion. I want to read this poem to you. The earth turns around, the earth turns around. Once a day, every day, the earth turns around. Here is a picture of the earth. The moon goes around the earth, the moon goes around the earth. Once a month, every month, the moon goes around the earth. Here is the moon. Here is the earth. The earth goes round the sun. The earth goes round the sun. Once a year, every year, the earth goes round the sun. Here is the sun. Those are some things in our solar system. And I have a little book about the moon. And there is a book in your packet. And you can read this book with your parents or by yourself. Some of you I know can read this by yourself. I see the moon. And it says by, and you need to put your name here because you should be practicing writing your name every day. And we turn to the first page and you go find the number 1 in the top corner. I see the moon. And this little dog is pointing to the moon. Look for page 2. You can see the number in the top corner. I see the moon. It seems to change shape. And I know you've seen it. Sometimes the moon is the whole moon, which is called the full moon. Sometimes it's part of a moon. And sometimes it's even just half a moon. And sometimes you can't see it at all. I see the moon, and there's a little moon in your packet that you can move yourself. I see the moon rise and set. The moon goes up into the sky, high in the sky, and it goes down and it disappears. I see the moon. And what are these around the moon? Stars. So you can color your stars all different colors if you want. And that is your little story about the moon. Now let me see. I think that next time we're going to talk about someone who likes to go to the moon. Can you think of who that person might be? Starts with the letter A. Think about it, and I'll surprise you next time with the answer. Have fun. Bye.